Welcome to Hawa Cuisine. Today I'm making the pizza today. I'm making like the frozen pizza, the one you can get in the fridge. So I'm making it like to make it look more expensive looking much better looking. Okay, so this is the frozen pizza. I just buy like a regular pizza, like cheese pizza from Walmart. So this is just a regular pizza. So you can get any regular pizza with nothing on it. So you can able to build it to your own taste, the way you like it. So this is my pizza. And what I did, this is mozzarella. I got one mozzarella in the fridge. So I'm gonna grate one mozzarella. I'm was grating it right now. So you take a grater and grate it, like they have cheese already grated already. So whatever cheese you like, you're welcome to use that, okay? It's not just you stick with the mozzarella. I have yellow cheese too, but this got a lot of yellow cheese, so I don't want to use that much yellow cheese. I like mozzarella. So I'm gonna grate the mozzarella like this size. But if you want more cheese, you just welcome. You can just grate the many cheese you would like and put on it. And this is a pepper. This is banana pepper and a mushroom and an olive. And I have all those in the can. They're ready to cook already. You can go to, when you go to Walmart, you can find those stuff in the can. I mean, like yeah, in the can or any kind, but they're already cooked or prepared already. So what I did, I just remove it out of the can and put on the plate. So this is banana pepper, mushroom, and some olive. This is olive, okay? And this is turkey. You know the turkey, the one you can make like a sandwich out of it. So this is a turkey. Any kind of leftover meat you have, like a chicken, beef, anything you have, you can cut in the little pieces like this. You can put on your pizza too, okay? So I'm gonna finish grating my my cheese, and we're gonna start building this stuff on top of the pizza, okay? So let's start it. So it's time to be building the making my pizza. So this is my mozzarella. So I'm gonna start with the mozzarella. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna spray it everywhere on your pizza, like the way I'm doing it, because you always gonna need extra cheese, because those kind of cheap pizza, those frozen pizza, they don't put down enough cheese on it like the way you want it, because they want to make their own money too, extra money, because if they put too much cheese, they will not make no money. So they're always gonna put less cheese on it. So that's why when you bake, put in the oven, it would not taste good. It will only taste flat. So the best thing is you put your own extra cheese on it, so it will come out right. Okay. All right, now, so what I'm gonna do, the meat, I'm gonna start adding my meat to it too. The way I'm building it right now, you build your own like that too. So I'm gonna be building the meat. If you need more meat, like, you're welcome. You put more meat, okay? Then I'm gonna add more vegetable too. Like this is my olive. I'm gonna add my olive to it. That's an olive. That's the mushroom. Like, you're building it, making sure like everything is nice and that's my banana pepper. Just like if you go buying a pizza right there, you're gonna order what you want. Sometimes we'll add the onions, but I just forget I did not cut no onions, so I'm gonna skip that, or I'm gonna add it later on if I want to. If you want, you can add some onions. You see how expensive looking now it look like the cheap pizza. That cheap pizza looking before, now it looks so expensive. Even if you buy this and you make it, like somebody come over to come eat in your house and you make these very good and you put on the table, That will look like, think like you just buy some expensive pizza, but you don't. You just make your own little cheap pizza, and guess what? You put it in the oven, and it will look good. And you need to remove the box under it too, and put it like on something middle, okay? So that's what you need to do. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Just like this. This is my oven. You put in the oven like that, and I have like some chicken nugget, and this is my pizza, and I'm gonna bake it. And when you bake it, when you see the cheese is getting golden, that's the best way to remove. I think 12 minutes. So you just need to read the box, whatever the box says, what time you need to remove it, you remove it. I think my box said 12 minutes, I think so. So I'm gonna remove it 12 minutes straight. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. This is some chicken nugget too I'm making. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show you the finished product. So this is my final product. So this is my pizza. My pizza got burnt a little bit on this side because I was busy with the cake. And what I did too, I put some extra mozzarella on it too. Yeah, my pizza look good though. Y'all see that? That's my frozen pizza. And I just cut it too. I cut it. Working with one hand is hard, man. Like, oops. So this is my final pizza. So I made a pizza. I made some pizza and chicken nuggets. So this is my pizza. Y'all see how my pizza look good? My slice is beautiful. You see that? Nice looking. And this is the leftover of it. My daughter saying that she wants some too. You want some? So thank you for watching Hawa Cuisine, and love you guys so much. So please go and subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the more video I'm going to be posting. I love you guys so much. From my kitchen to your kitchen. Love you guys.